Okay, so how do you feel about online learning after you go through lessons with Math Coffee?
It's actually not that complicated as how teachers in school make it seem like. Example, Math Coffee, right? Like how Teacher Kangie usually do. She'll put us in separate rooms, and honestly, that's very easy because just send her her work. Send her our work, and then like text her all the questions that we struggle with. So like it's quite easy because she reply you ASAP one, and there's nothing that anyone would struggle with. So online is actually very easy and very convenient, and it's more comfortable at home. So that's why she joined Teacher Kangie.
Yeah, you can also wear pajamas, right?
Yeah, and then you won't even know. As long as you do your work 可以了.
So how did Math Coffee help you improve your studies or your math?
It improved my math drastically, and especially in Set 1 because I was from NT, right? I knew I did not need math tuition, but I just joined because why not? I get to learn more things, right? Teacher Kangie like took me in, and then after that, like I got into NA because of my math mostly. My math was like the highest amongst my other subjects. Because of Teacher Kangie, like my love for math grew a lot. Teacher Kangie will make you love math.
So what do you like most about Math Coffee or Teacher Kangie?
This is my favorite question. So Teacher Kangie doesn't just feel like a teacher lah. Like although yes, there's a teacher-student relationship there, but she also cares for you as a mother in a sense where like she will scold you when like you need to wake up. There are times where obviously there are times where I'm asleep and sometimes I don't think straight, and Teacher Kangie will knock sense into me and wake me up. But she also comforts me and reassures me that everything will be fine as long as I just don't stress over it, especially when it comes to math. So it's not only just a teacher-student relationship where everything just feels formal. I can have very candid conversations with Teacher Kangie.
Yeah, I hope that even though although you are no longer so-called student of Teacher Kangie, but you know that anytime I'm just a message or a call away lah.
Yeah.
Okay, so people say that Teacher Kangie is very fierce, like as if like torturing the kids. What do you have to say about this statement?
She's only fierce if you don't listen to her and do your work.
Yeah.
That's the only time she's fierce. Like I have been her student for 4 years and I rarely get scolded. Yes, I get scolded because I wasn't being responsible for my own work and I did not listen to instructions clearly. But I don't think Teacher Kangie feels like as long as you do your work, you're good.
Do you recall like the first time when I scold you was like
I knew that I was in the wrong, so like obviously you scolded me for the right reason, what? Because if you don't scold me, how will I learn?
like a mother scold a child like that? Like a mother scold a child like that?
Yeah. You need to scold me lah. If you don't scold me, obviously like students will actually take advantage of you. So in conclusion, you're not fierce.
So how much have you improved? You can either state a great jump or you can even elaborate like things like, oh, I hate math in the past, but now blah blah blah. Yeah.
So obviously, because of math, I got promoted to NA. But honestly, in Set 4, where like because N-level stress, right, and then like my teachers are constantly like on my neck, right, like I started hating math. She just gave us paper and expect to do it.
Is it just you or is it like the whole class?
The whole class. I remember sitting in class and I'll be like, I think I'd rather be Teacher Kangie's class than be in this class. Because my teacher will actually walk away and ignore me when I need help. Then I also realized that there are some topics where the class struggles with a lot, especially example, Trigo, right? But I realized that because of Teacher Kangie, right, I didn't really suffer with Trigo. You made Trigo very interesting.
Did you try to teach like your classmate in school?
Yeah, I gave them your advice. Like the advice you gave me, I gave to them because it was so helpful that I cannot gatekeep. I must share.
What advice? You mean math advice or other advice?
Yeah, math advice. Like example, how to remember the Trigo formula because I'm horrible at remembering formulas.
I think you improve a lot. I think most importantly is put in a lot of effort. I can only feel that the last part, some emotional roller coaster. But I think overall, you did very well. I think you grow up very well.
Because with your guidance, I grew up into this person. Like,
what was your concern or skepticism before you join or do math coffee for online tuition?
I did not have any worries because I started off with a student, right? And then like before COVID hit, obviously you started this online thing because of COVID, right? I wasn't worried. Neither was I very skeptical or anything like that because I think I just trusted you because I knew that you knew what you were doing and like the way you taught me and how your I just trusted in your teaching.
Did you ever feel that when you are in the normal tech, 你像人家都放弃你的这样子？
Oh, yeah, I did feel that way, but it did not matter because like you always taught me that you just focus on your studies and like you can't be bothered with other people's thoughts and opinions. Because you didn't only teach me math, you taught me some life skills and things that would help me grow into a person who I am today. Yeah. So
Yay!